What's happening to me? I have never felt like this before.
What's happening to me په دا ما باندې څه واقع کیږي. I have never felt like this before. ما هیڅ کله هم داسې احساس نه و کړی له دې څخه مخکې.
Oh my God. I am in love. I love you, Dave.
Oh my God. او زما خدایا. I am in love. زه په مینه کې یم. I love you, Dave. زه تا سره مینه کوم ډیوه.
You are just mine. Nobody can come between us.
You are just mine. ته یوازې زما یې. Nobody can come between us. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې زموږ مابین کې راشي.
I bought a new backpack for Kevin.
I bought a new backpack for Kevin. ما یو نوی بکسه واخیستله د کیوین لپاره. backpack ویل کیږي د شا بکسې ته.
Kevin will be so happy. Where did you get money?
Kevin will be so happy. Kevin به ډیر خوشحاله شي. happy ویل کیږي خوشحاله. Where did you get money? تا روپۍ چیرته ترلاسه کړې؟
I bought it from my salary. Madam Anna gave me today.
I bought it from my salary. ما د خپل له تنخوا څخه واخیستلې. salary ویل کیږي تنخوا ته. Madam Anna give me today. Madam Anna ما ته نن ورځ راکړې.
Who is Anna?
Who is Anna? Anna څوک ده؟
She is my boss. She is a nice lady.
She is my boss. هغه زما مشره ده. boss ویل کیږي مشر ده. She is a nice lady. هغه یوه ښه ښځه ده.
God bless her.
God bless her. الله دې هغه نیکمرغه کړي.
Welcome, Dad. How are
Welcome, Dad. ښه راغلاست پلاره. How are you? څنګه یې ته؟
you?
I am good. Kevin, I bought a new backpack for you.
I am good, Kevin. زه ښه یم Kevin. I bought a new backpack for you. ما ستا لپاره یوه نوې بکسه واخیستله.
Oh, Daddy. Thank you so much. I am so happy.
Oh, Daddy. Oh, پلاره. Thank you so much. ډیره زیاته مننه. I am so happy. زه ډیر خوشحاله یم.
Why don't you wear it?
Why don't you wear it? دا ول نه ده شاته اچولې.
I am going to wear it right now.
I am going to wear it right now. زه به همدا اوس دا شاته واچوم.
It's amazing. Thanks again, Dad.
It's amazing. دا ډېر په زړه پورې ده. Thanks again, Dad. دوباره مننه پلاره.
Keep happy, my son.
Keep happy, my son. خوشحاله اوسه زما زویه.
Darling, will you call a handyman today?
Darling محبوبه, will you call a handyman today? آیا ته به لاسي سړي ته زنګ ووهې په لاس چې شیان جوړوي هغه ته handyman ویل کیږي.
Not today.
Not today. نن ورځ نه.
Why is that? You have got your salary.
Why is that? داسې ولې؟ You have got your salary. ته خپله تنخوا لرې که نه؟
I need to make dinner.
I need to make dinner. زه به د ماخوستن ډوډۍ تیاره کړم.
Don't need to make dinner today. We are going to a star restaurant.
Don't need to make dinner. ضرورت نشته چې د ماخوستن ډوډۍ تیاره کړي. We are going to a star restaurant. موږ ځو یو سټار هوټل ته. سټار هوټل ویل کېږي چې ښه هوټل ته سټار هوټل ویل کېږي. څه دی؟
What? I am so happy. But that restaurant is super expensive.
What, sir? I am so happy. زه ډېره خوشحاله یم. But what restaurant is super expensive? لیکن هغه هوټل ډېر زیات قیمته ده. super expensive ویل کېږي ډېر زیات قیمته.
It's on me. We will enjoy our dinner.
It's on me. دا په ما باندې ده. ټینشن ته مه کوه. دا ورته وایي چې مطلب چې زه پې کوم. زه ادا کوم دا روپیه. دې مطلب دا ده. We will enjoy our dinner. موږ به خپل د ماخوستن دغه ډوډۍ انجوای کو. خوند به ځینې واخلو.
I will call a handyman tomorrow.
I will call a handyman tomorrow. زه به هغه د لاسي سړي ته سبا ته زنګ ووهم.
What about Kevin? We can't leave him alone.
What about Kevin? د کیوین باره کې څه وایې ته؟ We can't leave him alone. موږ نشو کولی چې هغه یوازې پرېږدو.
I talked to my neighbor. Kevin will stay with her.
I talked to my neighbor. ما له خپل ګاونډي سره خبره وکړه. neighbor ویل کیږي ګاونډي ته. Kevin will stay with her. Kevin به له هغې سره پاتې شي.
All right. I am going to get ready.
All right, بالکل صحیح ده. I am going to get ready. زه به تیاره شم.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie. سلام خوږې.
Hey Dad. How was your day?
Hey, Dad. Hey, پلاره. How was your day? ستا ورځ څنګه وه؟
It was great. You look so happy.
It was great. ډېره ښه وه. You look so happy. ته ډېره خوشحاله ښکارې.
I am happy, Dad. It was the best day of my life.
I am happy, Dad. زه خوشحاله یم پلاره. It was the best day of my life. دا زما د ژوند تر ټولو ښه ورځ وله.
Is something special? How was your meeting?
Is something special? آیا یو څه خاص وو؟ How was your meeting? ستا غونډه څنګه وه؟
The meeting was great. We have got the project. Congrats.
The meeting was great. meeting ډېر ښه وو. We have got the project. من پروژه ترلاسه کړه. Congrats. مبارک.
Really? I am over the moon. We should celebrate this moment.
Really په حقیقت سره I am over the moon. زه ډېر زیات خوشحاله یم. ملګرو چې کله موږ وایو کنه چې I am over the moon نو دې مطلب دا ده چې زه ډېر زیات خوشحاله یم. څه دی؟ We should celebrate this moment. موږ باید دغه لحظه ولمانځو. Celebrate ویل کېږي لمانځلو ته.
Dave made a good presentation. He is a nice guy.
Dave made a good presentation. Dave یو ښه وړاندوینه وکړه. Presentation ویل کېږي وړاندوینه کول. د خلکو ته مخامخ یو شی پرزنټ کول د هغه وړاندې کول ته presentation ویل کېږي. څه دی؟ He is a nice guy. هغه یو ډېر ښه هلک ده.
Yes. He is. Let's go to your favorite restaurant.
Yes, he is. هغه ده. Let's go to your favorite restaurant. راځه چې لاړ شو ستا د خوښې هوټل ته.
Okay, Dad. I will be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, Dad. ټیک ده پلاره. I will be ready in 5 minutes. زه به 5 منټو کې تیاره شم.
I will wait for you. See you.
I will wait for you. زه به ستا لپاره انتظار وکم. See you. ګورو به.
This night is too long. I can't wait to meet you, Dave.
This night is too long. دغه شپه ډېره اوږده ده. I can't wait to meet you, Dave. زه انتظار نشم کولی چې له تا سره ملاوه شم ډیوه.
How am I looking, honey?
How am I looking, honey? زه څنګه ښکارمه خوږه.
You are looking gorgeous. Let's go, my love.
You are looking gorgeous. ته ډېره زیاته ښایسته ښکارې. Gorgeous ویل کېږي ډېر زیات ښایسته. Let's go, my love. راځه چې لاړ شو زما مینې.
Where did you get this car?
Where did you get this car? دا موټر دې له کوم ځای څخه را پیدا کړ؟
It's a rental car. It's is mine for tonight.
It's a rental car. دا د کرایه موټر ده. Rental ویل کېږي د کرایه. It's mine. دا زما دی for tonight د نن شپې لپاره.
I love you, honey. I am feeling so happy. You are such a gentleman.
I love you, honey. زه له تا سره مینه کوم خوږه. I am feeling so happy. زه ډېر د خوشحالۍ احساس کوم. You are such a gentleman. ته یو ډېر ښه شخص یې.
I love you too. I am happy if you are with
I
me.
love you too. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم. I am happy. زه خوشحاله یم. If you are with me. که چیرې ته له ما سره یې.
I love this place. It's so amazing.
I love this place. دا غځای ماته ډېر خوند راکوي. It's so amazing. ډېر په زړه پورې ده.
I am glad you like it. Shall we order?
I am glad you like it. زه خوشحاله یم چې تا ته خوند درکړ. یا تا ته خوند درکوي. Shall we order? موږ به order ورکو.
Yeah, sure. I am starving.
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا. I'm starving. زه ډېره وږې یم.
All items are super expensive.
all items are super expensive. ټول دغه items چې دي کنه ډېر زیات قیمته دي.
Honey, you can order what you want.
هني خوږې you can order ته order کولی شي what you want هر څه چې ته غواړې.
I will have one portion of spaghetti.
I will have one portion of spaghetti. ما د سپیګیټي یوه برخه راوړه. سپیګیټي یو قسم خوراک دی ملګرو سی دی.
Anything to drink, madam?
Anything to drink, madam. نور څه د څښلو لپاره.
A glass of mango juice, please.
A glass of mango juice, please. یو ګلاس د جوس.
What about you, sir?
What about you, sir? ته څه غواړې ښاغلیه.
I will have a chicken pizza and a red Coke, please.
I will have a chicken pizza. زه به یو chicken pizza وخورم and a red Coke او یو سور کوک. Please مهرباني وکړئ.
Okay, sir. Anything else?
Okay, sir. ټیک ده ښاغلیه. Anything else? نور څه؟
Honey, pizza is really expensive. I think we should go home.
هني خوږه pizza is really expensive. pizza ډېره قیمته ده. I think we should go home. زما په فکر چې موږ باید کور ته لاړ شو.
It's fine. I can afford it.
It's fine. ټیک ده. I can afford it. زه برداشت کولی شم. afford ویل کېږي برداشت کول.
Do you need anything else, madam?
Do you need anything else, madam? آیا تاسو کوم بل څه ته ضرورت لرئ میډمه؟
No thanks. That's all.
No thanks. نه مننه. That's all. دا ټول بس دي.
Okay. I will be right back with your order.
Okay, ټیک ده. I will be right back with your order. زه به بیرته راځم ستاسو له order سره.
What's wrong, honey? Did not you like this place?
What's wrong, honey? څه غلط وشول خوږه. Did not you like this place? آیا تا ته دې ځای خوند در نه کړ؟
You were embarrassing me. Don't worry about the money.
You were embarrassing me. تا زه شرمولم. embarrass ویل کېږي شرمېدل. Don't worry about the money. د روپۍ باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه.
I am sorry, honey. I just want to save some money.
I am sorry, honey. زه بخښنه غواړم خوږه. I just want to save some money. ما زه یوازې غواړم چې یو څه روپۍ سیف کړمه. مطلب ویې ساتم.
I will give you everything, honey. Just support me.
I will give you everything, honey. زه به تا ته هر څه درکړمه خوږې. Just support me. یوازې زما ملاتړ کوه.
I am with you.
I am with you. زه له تا سره یم.
Thanks for bringing me here. The food was amazing.
Thanks for bringing me here. مننه چې دلته دې زه راوستلم. The food was amazing. دا خوراک ډېر په زړه پورې و.
I like this place.
I like this place. دغه ځای ماته خوند راکوي.
Dad, I want to say something.
Dad, پلاره, I want to say something. زه غواړم چې یو څه ووایم.
Yes, my darling.
Yes, my darling. هو زما محبوبې.
I want to join your company.
I want to join your company. زه غواړم چې ستاسو کمپنۍ کې ګډون وکړم.
Really? I am so happy. It's your company, my love.
Really په حقیقت سره I am so happy. زه ډېر خوشحاله یم. It's your company, my love. دا ستا کمپنۍ ده زما مینې.
Dad, Dave is a hard-working person. I think manager position is good for him.
ډېر پلاره Dave is a hard working person. Dave یو محنتي شخص ده. hard working ویل کېږي محنتي ته. I think manager position is good for him. زما په فکر چې د منیجر ځای چې ده د هغه لپاره ښه ده.
Yes. He is a hard-working person. I was also thinking about his promotion.
Yes, he is a hard working person. هغه یو محنتي شخص ده. I was also thinking about his promotion. ما هم د هغه د promotion باره کې فکر کوو.
Really, Dad? You are the best dad in the world.
Really په حقیقت سره You are the best dad in the world. ته په دنیا کې تر ټولو ښه پلار یې.
Pizza was amazing. I am full.
Pizza was amazing. Pizza ډېر په زړه پورې وه. I am full. زه موړ شوم.
I enjoyed this dinner.
I enjoyed this dinner. ما دغه ماخوستن ډوډۍ ډېر خوند راکړ. مزه مې ځینې واخیستله.
What happened?
What happened? څه واقع شول؟
My boss and Madam Anna. They are here.
My boss and Madam Anna, they are here. زما مشر او Madam Anna چې د هغه دلته دي.
Really? She is so beautiful.
Really په حقیقت سره she is so beautiful. هغه ډېره ښایسته ده.
Let's meet them. Madam Anna will be so happy.
Let's meet them. راځه چې له هغوی سره ملاقات وکړو. Madam Anna will be so happy. Madam Anna به ډېره خوشحاله شي.
No. We should not disturb them.
No, we should not disturb them. موږ باید هغوی تنګ نه کړو.
Come on, honey. Let's meet them.
Come on, honey. راځه چې لاړ شو خوږې. Let's meet them. راځه چې له دوی سره ملاقات وکړو.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. ټیک ده.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Dave. What a pleasant surprise.
Hello, Dave. سلام, Dave. What a pleasant surprise. څومره د خوشحالي حیرانتیا ده. Surprise ویل کېږي حیرانتیا ته.
Dave. It's so good to see you here. We were talking about you.
Dave, it's so good to see you here. دا ډیره ښه ده چې دلته مې ولیدلې. We were talking about you. موږ ستا باره کې خبرې کولې.
It's so good to see you here too, Anna.
It's good to see you here too, Anna. دا هم ډیره ښه ده چې دلته مې تاسو هم ولیدلې یا Anna.
My daughter liked your presentation. You impressed my sweetie.
My daughter liked your presentation. زما لور چې دا کنه هغې ته خوند ورکړ ستا د presentation. You impressed my sweetie. تا زما خوږه چې دا هغه دې متاثره دې کړه. Impress ویل کېږي متاثر کېدل.
It was my work, sir.
It was my work, sir. هغه زما کار و ښاغلی.
We are thinking something special for you.
We are thinking something special for you. موږ ستا لپاره د یو خاص we are thinking موږ فکر کوو something special د یو څه خاص شي for you ستا لپاره.
I don't get it.
I don't get it. زه پوه نه شوم.
Dad. Should we tell him?
Dad, پلاره, should we tell him? آیا موږ باید هغه ته ووایو؟
As you want, my sweetie.
As you want, my sweetie. څنګه چې ته غواړې زما خوږې.
I have a surprise for you. I will tell you later.
I have a surprise for you. ستا لپاره یوه حیرانتیا لرم. I will tell you later. زه به تا ته وروسته ووایم بیا.
Okay. I can wait.
Okay, ټیک ده. I can wait. زه انتظار کولی شم.
By the way, who is she?
By the way, who is she? هغه څوک ده.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to introduce.
Oh, sorry. بخښنه غواړم. I forgot to introduce her. ما نه هیر سو چې هغه درته معرفي کړم.
her. She is my wife.
She is my wife. هغه زما ښځه ده. آریا.
Aria.
Hello, Miss Anna. Nice to meet
Hello, Miss Anna. سلام, Miss Anna. Nice to meet you. خوشحاله شوم چې تاسو سره مې ملاقات وکړو.
you. Dave talks a lot about you. You are a nice
Dave talks a lot about you. Dave ستا باره کې ډېرې خبرې کوي. You are a nice lady. ته یوه ښه ښځه یې.
lady.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. زه هم خوشحاله شوم چې تاسو سره مې ملاقات وکړو.
Sweetie. What happened? Are you okay?
Sweetie, خوږې, what happened? څه واقع شول? Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
Okay.
I am not feeling
I am not feeling okay. زه ښه احساس نه کوم.
okay.
You look
You
sick.
look sick. ته مریضه ښکارې.
I want to go
I
home,
want to go home, Dad. زه غواړم چې کور ته لاړ شم پلاره.
Dad.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا.
sure.